Hello my dear friends, throughout this class I'll show you how you can create your very own awesome animated whiteboard explainer video in PowerPoint. By the end of this class you'll become a PowerPoint animation expert and you'll be able to create animated videos for your business, school, university or social media. Let me introduce myself. On the internet I go by the name of OneSkill and that is my nickname. My real name is Kasparas, I come from Vilnius, Lithuania, and I love PowerPoint. I have been creating PowerPoint tutorials since 2014 and I have always been impressed by the fact that you can create so many creations just using PowerPoint. And the possibility to create animated videos is just super impressive. For this PowerPoint class, you don't need to have advanced PowerPoint knowledge, however, having basic PowerPoint knowledge is always helpful. I have done my best to explain everything step by step, zoom in when needed, and show keyboard shortcuts on the screen. For this class, I'm using Microsoft 365 on Windows, however, any PowerPoint version starting from PowerPoint 2010 will do just fine. If there will be any features that are available only in the newest PowerPoint versions and that we will need to use, I will definitely mention that and provide workarounds. This class is great for teachers, students, freelancers, and business professionals, everyone who wants to take their PowerPoint animation skills to the next level. Alright, I am ready. How about you? Let's get started.